And hello folks, you join us 2 weeks after the NEC Classic Car Show, where this car was assembled and put together in 3 days on the live stage. If you've been following it, which I believe quite a few have, you will know that the fuel pump that we had on order didn't arrive at the time in time for the show. We tried with another pump which couldn't create enough pressure. As we can see, this beautifully made fuel pump, which carries a low pressure lift pump into the catch tank, which is basically a swirl pot with a high pressure pump internally inside it that should, and we believe, be the pressure that we need to be able to get the fuel injection running. We shall now look to install it. By it having its own swirl pot, the return pipe also comes straight back in it. Although it's got a big hole at the top of the side for when it's filled that, it will overflow into the main tank. So we shall now install this and hopefully fire it up. We are only using the rubber pipes at present just to ascertain the speed out to run it. We shall go back to the steel pipes and address it to become neater in the wiring and pipe work, but I think the anticipation to hear the car is our main goal after how much effort was put in. Okay, we've now ascertained fuel pressure, so let's go for it. It's been, as we said, 2 weeks waiting for the fuel pump, and to get to listen to this after so many years, fingers crossed. It runs, it lives, it runs.